A clean smelling space is my happy place. But sometimes things can get a little chaotic. Like tonight when Peter tried his hand at cooking dinner for the family. Let's just say the kitchen ended up looking like a hot mess. But as they say, when life throws you messes, grab your partner and dance. That's why in our household, I rely on Lysol Mango and Hibiscus all-purpose cleaner spray to get the job done. In true sync fashion, we tackle the mess together. I rely on the cleaning power and uplifting scent of Lysol Mango and Hibiscus all-purpose cleaner spray. This multi-surface all-purpose cleaner can be used on hard, non-porous surfaces in the kitchen, bathroom, and other areas of the home. It's my go-to for transforming the mess back into the warm, inviting space I created.
We created.
Right. Don't just clean, Lysol clean.